Today we are going to see about the life cycle of a bird. First, let's see the stages. Egg is the first stage in the life cycle of a bird. Then the second stage is hatchling. The third stage is nestling. The fourth stage is fledgling, and the last and fifth stage is adult. So let's see more about the first stage, egg. All birds begin their life inside an egg. The egg is mostly white or yellow and has a hard shell covering to protect the embryo. And did you know some birds may lay one egg at a time while other birds can lay more than one egg? It depends from the species of the bird, and the size of the egg can also vary. For example, crows lay smaller eggs than ostriches. The second stage of the bird is hatchling. After the bird has come out of its egg, the newly hatched bird is known as a hatchling. A hatchling is covered in the soft feathers and can't fly in the stage. The next stage is nestling. It is the third stage of the life cycle. In this stage, the bird completely depends on its parents for food, shelter, and protection. The next stage is fledgling, the fourth stage in the life cycle of a bird. In this stage, the bird learns to fly, and the final stage is the adult. The adult bird can fly and protect itself. The adult bird then lays an egg to start another life cycle. These are some examples of birds. Hope you learned something new today.